Navigate to the Jira settings to create our workflow. On the top right of your screen, click on the gear icon to open Jira settings. Next, click on Issues under the Jira Settings menu to access the Issue Settings page. Now, in the Issues section, scroll down and click on Workflows under the Workflows category. You'll see a list of your existing workflows here. To create a new workflow, click on the blue Add Workflow button. Now, you'll be prompted to give your workflow a name. Let's call it Incident Management Workflow. It's always a good practice to add a description. Once you've entered the name and the description, click Create to create your workflow. After the workflow is created, we need to define the statuses. These are the stages that issues will go through in this workflow. Click on Add Status. Let's add 3 basic statuses for this workflow: Open, In Progress, and Resolved. We are allowing to connect all statuses on In Progress. There are pros and cons doing that, but it depends on your workflow or business requirements. Connect these statuses. Add a transition name. Add the last status Resolved. Let's enhance this by adding approvals. To add a condition, click on the status and review before the approved or declined. Click on the Include Approval step on the right side of the screen. This will need to users to approve the ticket. These are status in which the ticket will transition to. You can also exclude roles for approvers. Usually, reporters or clients are the one raising the tickets. In summary, every ticket that will go through in review it will automatically needs an approval to escalate on the next status. Let's go ahead and add this workflow on our project. You will find your workflow in the Inactive Workflows tab. To activate this, click Workflow Schemes. Look for the project you want to use your workflow. Click Edit. Click Add Workflow and add your new workflow. Assign issue types that will use this workflow. I assigned all the issue types that will use this workflow. Click Publish. If you have an existing tickets, you'll have to update all the non-existing status they were on and change it to the current one. Once done, click Associate. Let's check if we have the right workflow.